Welcome to the Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we understand that the journey of moving to a new country is filled with both hope and challenges. As immigrants ourselves, we have experienced firsthand the excitement of starting anew while navigating the complexities of life in America. Our podcast was born out of a deep desire to offer support and guidance to others like us, those who are already living here or dreaming of making the leap. Each week, we share 3 thoughtfully crafted episodes that cover an array of essential topics, from understanding American education systems and exploring travel destinations to achieving professional success and mastering financial literacy. Our mission is simple: to empower you with valuable insights and practical advice as you chart your own path in this diverse land. Whether you're seeking tips on improving your English skills or looking for inspiration on how to thrive in your new environment, we're here for you every step of the way. Together, let's navigate this beautiful tapestry of experiences that define life as an immigrant in the USA. Welcome to the Immigrants in the United States of America podcast. For the next few months, our podcast episodes published on Wednesdays will include excerpts from Maestro Sersea's ebook, Job Search Strategies for Immigrants in the USA, to help you further understand, be better prepared professionally, and thrive in the United States of America. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Welcome to the Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we equip current and future immigrants in the United States with practical advice and valuable insights. In today's episode, we will cover Maestro Sersea's ebook titled, Job Search Success Strategies for Immigrants in the USA. Today, we will focus on Chapter 3, Mastering the Art of Job Interviews, including Subchapter Preparing for the Interview. Are you ready to begin? Let's get started. Job Search Success Strategies for Immigrants in the USA. Chapter 3, Mastering the Art of Job Interviews. Preparing for the Interview. In this subchapter, I will guide you on how to effectively prepare for job interviews. By following these steps, you will learn how to research the company, anticipate interview questions, and practice your responses to showcase your skills and experiences. Step 1. Research the company. Before attending an interview, it is crucial to conduct thorough research on the company. This will not only demonstrate your interest and enthusiasm but also help you tailor your responses to align with the company's values and goals. Start by visiting the company's website and familiarize yourself with their mission statement, products or services, recent news or achievements, and company culture. Take notes and make connections between your skills and experiences and the company's needs. Moreover, leverage the power of the internet to gather more information about the company. Search for news articles, press releases, or any other relevant information that can provide you with insights into the company's industry, competitors, or challenges they may be facing. This additional knowledge will enable you to have a more informed conversation during the interview and showcase your eagerness to contribute to the company's success. Step 2. Anticipate interview questions. Preparing for an interview involves anticipating the questions that may be asked by the interviewer. While it is impossible to predict every question, you can use your research and common interview questions as a starting point to formulate your responses. Think about how your skills, experiences, and achievements align with the requirements of the role you are applying for. To get started, review the job description and highlight the key skills and qualifications that the employer is seeking. Then, brainstorm examples from your past experiences that demonstrate your ability to meet these requirements. Practice articulating these examples concisely, highlighting the problem you faced, the actions you took, and the results you achieved. Additionally, it is beneficial to prepare for behavioral interview questions, which assess your ability to handle specific situations. These questions typically begin with, "Tell me about a time when," or "Describe a situation where." By reflecting on past experiences and identifying relevant examples, you can prepare thoughtful and effective responses that showcase your problem-solving skills and your ability to work well under pressure. Step 3. Practice, practice, practice. Practice is the key to success when it comes to job interviews. By practicing your responses, you can gain confidence and ensure that your answers are clear, concise, and impactful. There are several ways you can practice. 1. Mock interviews. Enlist the help of a friend, family member, or mentor to conduct a mock interview. Provide them with a list of anticipated interview questions and ask for feedback on your responses, body language, and overall demeanor. 2. Record yourself. Use your smartphone or video camera to record yourself answering interview questions. Watch the recording and evaluate your performance. Pay attention to your tone of voice, body language, and whether your responses are effectively addressing the question. 3. Join interview preparation groups. Seek out local community organizations or job search support groups where you can practice interviewing with other immigrants in similar situations. These groups often provide valuable feedback and support to help you improve your interviewing skills. Remember, the more you practice, the more comfortable and confident you will feel during the actual interview. Aim to strike a balance between rehearsing your responses and maintaining authenticity. You want to come across as prepared and knowledgeable while still allowing your personality and genuine enthusiasm to shine through. In conclusion, successful interview preparation involves researching the company, anticipating interview questions, and practicing your responses. By investing time and effort into these steps, you will increase your chances of interview success and impress potential employers with your knowledge, enthusiasm, and ability to articulate your skills and experiences. As an immigrant in the USA, it is essential to showcase your unique background and perspective, as it can be a valuable asset to employers in a diverse and globalized workforce. So, embrace the opportunity to put your best foot forward and let your qualifications and passion shine during your next interview.
Thank you for listening to today's episode of our Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we understand that the journey of moving to a new country is filled with both hope and challenges. Join us again as we share 3 distinct episodes each week that cover an array of essential topics, from understanding American education systems and exploring travel destinations to achieving personal and professional success and mastering financial literacy. You are invited to also visit our official website for Immigrants in the USA at www.immigrantsinthe.us. Together, let's navigate this beautiful tapestry of experiences that define life as an immigrant in the USA.